chippity choppity chop, chippity choppity chop, chippity chippity go, choppity gonna get the way I bop, chippity choppity dog, chippity choppity dog, chippity chip. The exciting part. Ow, is on the way. Oz is in the way. You know, dreamos, dream balls. That's been dream balls. Has yummy fruit on the ground. Ooh, play. Let's eat it. No! What? Okay. So I'm excited for the amazing show of pancakes for no reason. 52, 53, 54. Stop it. Hey yo, what's that? Hey yo, what's that? Oh. Let's eat you. Let's put it in my plate. Just joking. Come on, is it good now? Let me test it out. Is it now good? Oops. Just joking. How can I put that there? Let's put it. There we go. Now let's do it. Yeah. Ooh, okay, I did that. Yay. Let me check it. Good. So that's good. So we're not excusing because we are not. Okay. So here's the plate. It looks like a moon. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a brick pot. This is actually crazy. How does it seem so crazy? Yeah, what happened? Has been ripped. No, go eat it. Okay, that looks like a caterpillar. But that's even not a caterpillar. That's reached too far. When will this end? Okay. Is this on? Is everything on? Oh, okay, that's too strong. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, the lights. Let's put everything. Please stop. My head's hurting of those sounds. Yeah, boy, let's get started. What's that? Yay! Pancake time. What's it? Ooh. Wow, that is so cool. Whoa, that is so cool. I'm never going to believe you. Stop with that.
Yeah. That's engagement. Practice now.
Oh, quickly. Okay. Add more ink. And finished. I couldn't eat it. Is this hot? A little bit. I'm not still eating it. It's my breakfast. It's my breakfast. That still looks like a egg of a shed. A egg of the protection has been melted. No. Okay. So I can't eat this because. Yeah, that's just the camera. Okay, this video has been taking for 4 minutes. Let's put the baby one. I couldn't hear you. No, not that. Okay. Bro, I can't breathe. There's smoke everywhere. Okay, just put this on. I know it gives me a headache. Oh, stop with the sound. Stop making it worse. I'm making it worse. Okay. Please don't say the pancake's going to go up there. When I even didn't make a single pancake. The second pancake. Oh, boy. Okay, I'm eating it. Yummy. Okay, I'm not eating the rest because it's my breakfast. These are still on. Get the hell out. Welcome to Aaron's kitchen. Today we're going to make pancake in Aaron's kitchen. First, put some milk. Okay, this is actually superstitious. And we put this like this. The butter goes, and you can eat it. Nom 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 nom. I haven't even eaten it yet. Okay, let's eat it. Oh, yummy! It's the best thing ever. Yummy. I just eaten it because I love butter. Butter with toast. Oh yeah, I love butter. Okay, I don't know what's that. I think that's butter. I forgot everything. Oh my brain. Oh, stop messaging to me. Jacob, you better come here because okay, Jacob is my brother. He's even not coming. He's so annoying. Always staying in his room and saying, "Oh, I'm so tired." I wish I could kick him. Yeah, I kicked him all the time. And when my brother was little, I was still not born. I'm literally 8. No, actually 9. Guys, Happy New Year! It's the 2025 reception. Oh, what's in here? Okay, I can't really view, but please tell me it's okay now. Okay, I'm not showing you this thing because it has weird stuff. Is it still cooked? Nope. Still not cooked. Oh, okay. Pancake. Welcome to you, Mr. Potato. See? Gosh. Oh, it's making it worse. Oh. Okay, the backside hasn't even finished yet. So okay, that's good. So please tell me it's going to show the pancake. Yes. Nope. Brand new. So guys, I'm gonna show you the pancake, the thing that I made. Not the first pancake I made. So enjoy watching it. I'm going somewhere. Oh, finally, I came back. Is the pancake still finished? Let me wait. Let me flip it over. Like a chef. Ooh. There you go. Wait a minute. Okay, I think. Okay, so actually we're putting this right here. So it's not dirty. Oh, I nearly fall off from there. Okay, a little bite of this, and I'm finished. Tasty. Just flip this over again. actually. No? I'm gonna. Okay. So. And. Second pancake. This took me 10 minutes to finish. I'm gonna. Okay, it's already cooked. Woo! So guys, this is tasty. And there we go. Wait, again. Again. There we go. Yo. Yeah. Little bit of ink. There we go. Little Onishi boy. There we go. Finish with the ink. If you want to watch part 2, like and subscribe. Okay, I'm going to show part 2 if I get to 5 and 0 subscribers. So bye.